Hey everyone! Over the past 2 weeks, I've been living with a tiny army of floor cleaning robots, and the ECOVACS T50 Omni has undoubtedly emerged as my favorite. It isn't the most expensive or ostentatious of the T50 series, but that's precisely what makes it unique. It offers almost all of the advantages of its more costly brothers at a price that suddenly makes sense. You immediately notice how slender its silhouette is. With a height of only 81 millimeters, the T50 Omni easily fits beneath low furniture, something that even a few more costly models find difficult to do. Because ECOVACS chose to use a front-facing time-of-flight sensor module in place of the large LiDAR tower, the small profile is made achievable. In daily use, you hardly notice that the mapping takes a second longer, and the obstacle recognition isn't nearly as quick as it is on the Pro or Max Pro versions. The robot nevertheless effectively searches your house and moves unobtrusively over chairs, wires, and misplaced socks. If you turn it over, you'll notice that the cleaning equipment is the same as its more expensive counterpart. Dust and debris are swept into the suction path by a zero-tangle brush and an extensible side brush, while the floor is scrubbed steadily and evenly by twin spinning mops. These mops lift common dirt and uninviting footprints without leaving swirling streaks behind, since they spin it up to 180 revolutions per minute and press firmly against the floor. The T50 Omni doesn't cut corners when it comes to suction force. It has the same 15,000 Pascal motor as the Pro model, so dust bunnies, crumbs, and carpets won't be able to survive. It performed beautifully on short pile carpets during my tests. However, occasionally the shaggy throw tangled until I pushed it free. Another attraction is the self-emptying wash and dry station. The robust dock, which had dual 4-liter water tanks and automatic dust emptying, was recycled by ECOVACS and utilized on the premium variants. In accordance with industry standards, the robot's internal plumbing continues to heat water to 70 degrees Celsius for washing and blast hot air at 45 degrees Celsius to dry the mops. I'd be happy to accept this minor concession in order to save a few €100. The battery lasts a long time. Even at maximum suction, the T50 Omni's 5,200 mAh battery is sufficient to cover a 100 square meter residence. Additionally, it has a smart recharge capability that allows it to power up just enough to finish cleaning before going home if it runs out of power in the middle of the work. The Max model has a 6,400 mAh battery for longer run times, while the basic pack is more than enough for most users. The ECOVACS app, which is still the real nerve center, controls all of this. The robot creates a precise map that you can divide into zones, assign cleaning sequences, plan recurrent sessions, and even draw virtual no-go lines. It's easy to set up. The T50 Omni, which has a list price of €699, is reasonably priced in comparison to its Pro and Max Pro siblings. The one significant flaw is that there isn't a detergent dispenser inside the dock, but considering the performance and the savings, I'm willing to accept the sacrifice. The ECOVACS T50 Omni is a great choice if you're looking for a full-featured, well-balanced floor cleaner that doesn't break the budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.